Welcome back to Cowboys Customs. We have here a pedal monster by Banks Power. This is the first OBD2 throttle sensitivity controller that you can have on your gas or diesel engines. This is actually going on my truck, which is a 2020 GMC Sierra AT4 edition. I got this equipped to basically download the mobile app and you can adjust, have different tunes and all the good stuff. Later on today, we're gonna also install this on my truck to basically get a before and after on how the throttle feels. And hopefully we can get this figured out.
Yo!
It's a nice little message, remove before diesel visit. Very nice. That's how it comes packaged. I'm actually really excited to try this on my truck to see the before and after difference. And this is the OBD port. So it seems like a very simple install, guys. There's also some instructions. Should probably look at that. You got two nice logos, some zip ties. So Banks Power has made this very easy for you. There's basically this sheet here that comes with a breakdown on the back. There's a QR code that basically sends you to a video and a diagram on basically how this stuff is supposed to get installed. Because I do have the standalone configuration, what it seems like, you got your OBD port, which this just plugs right into your OBD, and you have this little adapter here that plugs in here. And then on the actual controller itself, you have two ports. According to the instructions, this will fit into either port. And then you got this harness here. So the harness from the computer to one side, and it basically comes out, controls it, sends it back, and sends the new throttle response information to the pedal. All right, guys, we are ready to get this installed. Let's take it out to the truck and see what it does. I'm honestly really excited to see how this reacts. All right. Pretty plain and simple. I just took off the wiring harness from the vehicle to the pedal. And basically what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna hook up the wire harness from the computer, from the truck, into one of these. And then it's gonna go back into the pedal. And then from here, we basically plug in this device into either one, does not matter. And this basically just pairs right up into your OBD. And that's it. Hide the wires, you're good to go. We got that plugged in there. Very simple, very easy. Plug and enjoy. Let's fire it up. First start, let's get the app up. Make sure your pedal monster is in pairing mode by pressing the button on the back of the module. You will see the left LED. Okay, cool. Let me do that. That was really easy. Basically asks you to just floor it real quick, take it off, do it one more time, take it off, and now it's fully calibrated. Let's see if we can put it on track mode and give it all the power. GM in general just has, whoa, shit. Do you feel that? Bro, I barely tapped that thing. So the GM pedal naturally from the factory just feels very lazy. And I'll tell you, you gotta really push it to get what you want out of it. I'm just gonna floor it.
Floor it? Floor it? No, 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 don't floor it! Okay, floor it!
Oh shit. I don't spin out like that usually. Bro, I barely tapped that thing, bro. Honestly, this is crazy. Yeah, just so y'all know, this does not increase your power. It just increases the sensitivity of the pedal so you can get your power faster is basically what this is. I'm barely tapping on it, and barely tapping on the gas pedal. And man, that shit goes, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy, honestly. I'm very surprised. Shout out to Jay from Banks Power. You told me this is gonna knock my socks off, and you were right, bro. Bro, usually to get that, I have to floor it. And I'm barely touching it. Like to get it to like rev, look. Bro, I barely tapped that. That's crazy. So guys, we're wrapping up my final thoughts on this pedal monster, and I gotta say, definitely impressed. Definitely happy with the results. Extremely surprised, to say the least. So make sure, if you guys would like to get this pedal monster installed on your truck, you can give us a call at Cowboys Customs, or you can check us out online. Make sure you come back to our channel for more videos, more content. Now I'm just gonna enjoy this new sensitive throttle I have, and hopefully for people that got a truck like me, or even maybe a diesel truck, they have a lot of different products that you can get at Cowboys Customs. So make sure you guys check us out, like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos.